Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is Sunday morning and it is time for a shave. Today's razor is going to be the Valet Autostrop, and this is the VC1. Now this one is in the 1920s range as far as year made, and the last time I used this I had an excellent shave, and I just thought, you know what, I want another great shave with it this morning. I do have that loaded with a gem blade. Now today's soap is going to be A&E, and this is Barbiere Sofisticato, and this is a nice barbershop scent. We've got plenty of barbershop scents out there, and this particular one, I could probably squeeze one more shave out of it, but kind of happy to see it go, kind of sad to see it go. I've got too many soaps for one man, so that is one good thing to see that I've made it to the bottom of another tub of soap. All right, now I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my beautiful rescued Trotters Handcraft brush. Now this one is a white matte, and it is a beauty. Now the lighting in here may be making it kind of weird. And before I start lathering, I'm going to use some Stirling Glacial unscented, and I'm getting towards the bottom of that splash, which is another love-hate thing. And I do have another bottle of that, so I can't get too upset because that is my favorite splash. The unscented can go with anything, so that makes for a lot of space saving in your den. But that's that. Still on the buying freeze, which feels good, and I know I've been seeing, you know, buy me's, and right now I honestly don't really have any temptations to buy more. So there you go. Now you know. All right, now I'm all lathered up. Let's just take a little look at the lather. Nice. Gotta save that for the next pass. Go ahead and get the razor warmed up here. Got a bowl full of hot water so I can keep my sink open. All right, here we go. Pass number one. Let me make sure I just got that all set into place. My mind, you know. And I do need a haircut today, but I probably won't be getting one today. Effortlessly plowing through that, and wow, what a beautiful razor. I mean, and it shaves well. I know a lot of people, you know, they kind of get scared, or maybe not scared, but they kind of stay away from these bigger, clunkier, older razors. But I'm telling you, you can pick these things up anywhere, I mean, under $20. And I think they are worth the investment. Even if you don't use it just for nostalgia. I need to break out the lather catcher. I thought about that today, but I had my mind set on this one. Oh yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number two. how are you guys doing this weekend? Anything new? Anything old? Is it just the same old routine? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm ready for pass number 2 across the grain. Here we go. I just love this razor. I don't know why. I guess because it's so smooth and odd. I don't have a whole lot to talk about this morning. Just enjoying the shave, in the zen. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I'm gonna be right back. Using my Lancaster black sheep towel. Nice. All right, let's get a little shake here and get the menthol going. Oh yeah. It's like an Arctic landscape on your face. Oh yeah, ooh yeah. And to top that off, I'm going to use a little bit of unscented star jelly. Nice. All right, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. And I will see you guys on next Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.